Hey designers, let's create this animation in After Effects. If you want to download the files I have used in this animation, please check the description. I've provided links to those files there. However, if you want to create the path and the car yourself, I've uploaded the tutorials of them as well. You can follow along. I've taken 1920 by 1080 file size. Let's import the path here. Select it. Import as composition, retain layer sizes. Import. Drag and drop it on the timeline. Let's make a new solid. Layer, new, solid. Give it a color. Send it below the path layer. Lock it. Let's import the car PNG. Scale it down. Double-click on the path layer. These are the layers. This is the path that we made a separate layer of. We will copy its position for the car to follow. Select it. Go to Layer. Create. Create shapes from vector layer. This is it. Let's go to its properties, path properties. Now click it. And press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the position of this path. Now go back to main composition. Select the car layer. Make sure the bar is on the first frame. Press P for position. Now press Ctrl+V to paste. These are the key frames. But the position has moved down. Select all the key frames. With the help of arrow keys on your keyboard, move it to the actual path. Zoom it and adjust its position. Now if you want to move the car a bit slower, select all these keyframes by pressing Alt-Command on your keyboard. Drag it to 10 seconds or depending upon how fast or slow you want it to move. If we play it, the car is moving from the top to bottom. If you want the car to move from bottom to the top,
select all the keyframes. Right-click, Keyframe Assistant, time reverse keyframes. Good. Let's rotate the car to correct its alignment along the road. OK. To make the car rotate and adjust its position autonomously along the path, you need to go to Layer, Transform, Auto Orient, Orient along path. OK. Adjust its rotation. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't leave without liking. Comment if you have any confusion or even if you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe.